this cat is a victim of high-rise syndrome. She came in last week, presented in shock, and she also had a broken upper jaw, which is one of the characteristic injuries of an animal that's fallen from high floors.
This is a very serious problem here in Singapore. It's about more than 80% of us live in high-rise apartments. The SPCA sees about 5 cases of cats falling from height every week. That's about 250 animals a year. And about half of them die on the spot.
We started the company 2 years ago because we see the need in creating safe space for the cats.
It's very heartwarming to see that people are really into cat safety now, and they take care of their cats and they are aware. So as a result, our business has grown 3 to 4 times compared to last year.
So far, we spent $60,000 US dollars for our cats. So we moved just 4 months ago, and every month we create catification. For example, today is for balcony, next month is for tree, and then we additional bridge, and then so far like this.
This problem will certainly not go away unless we take direct actions to prevent it. As pet owners, it is our responsibility to look after the safety of our animals. And we strongly recommend that any home with cats have their doors and windows fully secure.
Okay.